Hi everyone. Today I have Ron's Breckwell brand pellet stove controller on my workbench. Ron sent this to me because he was saying that the auger would not drive. It would drive in manual mode when the manual feed button was pressed, but not when it was in automatic mode. So I received it this evening and I made a few changes to it and it's ready to be final tested. So I'll go ahead and turn it on, and when I do, a couple lights on my tester will come on. One will be the combustion fan simulator, and the other one will be the convection or room fan simulator, the red one. The reason for that is because I do not have on my tester, I don't have the switch that Ron has on his furnace, or he does not send that out to me. He just sent the controller, and it's pretty typical of people not sending me the switch. So on my test fixture, I checked the wiring out without checking the switch. So let me go ahead and turn it on, and we'll see those two lights come on. So there it is, both the lights came on, which means that the combustion fan is running and the convection room fan is running. I'll go ahead and press the high fan button, and that will cause the light in the convection fan to go brighter, and there it is. So that's functioning now. And I can press the manual feed button, and that causes the auger motor to drive. So we see that with the yellow light flashing there. The next thing we're going to do is actually I can do it right now. It's kind of difficult with one hand. But as I step through the different speeds on the dial, we should see the room fan indicator go brighter and brighter. So there we go. See, brighter, brighter. And it only gets so bright based on what I can do with the camera here. So I'll put it back down to low. So now I'll go ahead and press the auger button, and that should turn on the controller. And in the back here, we'll see a little green light come on occasionally through just above the fuel feed control word, just above fuel. That indicates that the controller is trying to drive the auger. So let me press that, and there we go. And we see the green light. So I'll back up a little bit, and we'll watch this happen as I move the controller over. So there it is, green light on the controller. The auger motor would drive. Do a couple more of that. Okay, and as I increase the fuel feed control to max, we'll see that the auger comes on, but it'll stay on much longer. So there it is, much longer. Then it cycles off, and it comes back on. So it stays on much longer, and cycles off. That's in max. If I were to go backwards to about the second position or third, we'll see that it comes on, but not quite as long. See, a little bit shorter. And I'll go right back down to the low position, and that should make it be as drive as few pellets as possible. Short little time. So there it is, Ron. I want to thank you for sending me your controller. I appreciate it very much. And for sure, if you have any questions about your controller or you have issues, be sure to let me know, and I'll try to give you guidance. Thank you. Bye-bye.